afternoon, guys. Yeah, good afternoon, even though it is actually raining. And today, yeah, I proved that my roof ventilation is not leaking anymore. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, and yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock, but the time now is 4:31. Yeah, because I come straight here along here in the marina area, just to relax. Also, I have my coffee and I have this crackers. I ate already one of those sky flakes, and yeah, I'm going home now. Oh, you maybe are wondering why I have this plug. Yeah, this is the Australian plug. There is a reason for that, and I will tell you now. So basically, on that day, jigsaw. Jigsaw, I saw that. Yeah, jigsaw, and it's connected to the inverter that is connected to the battery. And if I check here, it's still still at 13 volts. When it is full, usually 13.1. Now just 13.0. And what I am doing now is to put this here like a cover of this battery box. Not totally covered, so that there will be insulation. Down here is not covered because look at this much big. Because when I made this box, I didn't measure. Because also I rely on this original table. If you see, they are different color. And we are now here in Bunnings. Yeah. So basically I bought this sink. This is the cheapest. This is $59. Yeah. I also bought this ceiling tape because if I have time tomorrow, maybe I don't have. Yeah, in the coming days I'm going to put the roof ventilation. Yeah, somewhere here. I don't know yet. And then this sink is probably going to that side. And I also bought this hinges. Continue this to put the door. I'm not going to do it here. Yeah, I'm going to do it near the beach, so it's windy. Yeah, because it's hot in here. Okay, this is where we are going to continue working with this table. And this is actually a beach. Yeah, there are many people down there. Yeah, family having picnic, swimming, enjoying. I'm going to remove my shoes. Yeah, look at that. There are many people there. I am going to keep this open so the air will come in. But there is the heat of the sun. I do not have my drill with me. That's why I'm using this. Yeah, Inigo borrow the drill. He has something to install on his car. Oh, the screw actually get through the other side. Amazing. Now just here. I actually put my card. Yeah, to give enough space on the bottom. Okay, I made it. Now let's check if it is going to close. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Yeah, this is dangerous. Look at this. Also here. This one will go here. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is 20 minutes to 9 o'clock, and today's the special day, the very special day. I'm not very excited about it, but yeah, this very special day. Yeah, this is not very excited for me, but considerably very special day, you know. Yeah, because there are some kind of yeah, sadness and happiness together, something like that, but generally good. Yeah. And yeah, it's still messy over here. These boxes, these camping things, from the chimney, these woods, plywoods, bits of woods, and this roof ventilation, and I still need to install, and these materials for my conversion, van conversion. Yeah, and some papers and documents. Yeah, I'm very busy doing a lot of things here because all of them are came together all the same time. Yeah, first I got the car, decided to convert it into camper van, and then I also got these documents that I need to do. Yeah, a lot of things. And then I'm doing YouTube, and then I'm doing another things online. Those makes me really busy and spending a lot of money actually. Yeah, but I am enjoying it, but I feel that the time is not enough. But I am enjoying it, you know. I mean, I don't focus on one thing, which is not good. We should focus on one thing so that we can perfectly finish it. Something like that. Yeah. And at the moment, I'm doing my laundry. And yeah, this is a very special day. I will show it to you why later. Yeah, I need to cut my hair because yeah, last night when I was at work, Inigo noticed my hair. Are you going to cut your hair? He asked me. I said no. I think it's okay like this. And I said, is it bad? Yeah, it's not good. He said to me. Yeah, maybe because the baldness is showing already, and the thickness of the hair is not equal, not balanced. And so I'm going to cut it. I really have no plan of cutting it, but yeah, Inigo noticed it last night at work. And I'm ready to go for this very special occasion. Yeah, I'll be wearing just this, a normal polo shirt, my high shoes, and this. Very simple, but I feel comfortable with it. I think it's clean. That's one of the most important if you are going to an event like this. And I am now in the house of Inigo. Yeah, we're going to eat first.
Pasado na yung pagka-pintura ko. Pakita mo
Ikaw
sa
nagpintura?
Oo.
Inigo painted this for his Ferrari motor. Ducati. Professional.
Pakita mo how look.
Yeah, he said he's the one who painted it. Spray?
Yeah. Can. So smooth. Pakita mo.
Very nice. Second hand binili mo o ano?
Huh?
You bought it second hand or old or what?
Yeah, then
This one.
second hand and then I painted.
Very nice. Looks like Inigo is the one going to the event. He's wearing this long sleeve. Inigo is a fashionista. And I'm just a simple. Divina is already there. She's waiting for us now. And do you know that I am 2 inches taller today? Yeah, because I am wearing these shoes. And I actually forgot to film this. Yeah, we eat this different Thai food. Yeah,
you
and they said
said,
we will go to eat traditional Australian food. Because you know, today is Australia Day. You can see the guy, he's wearing yeah, Australian flag. Thank you very much. Thank you. And now Inigo wants to buy ice cream.
Happy Australia Day.
Yeah, I bought Lamington. Lamington.
And a meat pie.
Meat
For
pie.
And ice cream.
So basically these are the traditional Australian snacks. Yeah, if you come to Australia, these are the few basic things that you're going to notice that are available everywhere. Lamington, pie, ice cream. Salamat. We're in the playground, and the event is actually there. There's a program. Hindi ka napansin, hindi mo sumating. And they made this area as a car park. A lot of cars in here. Look, a lot of people here. And there is this band. They're playing music. And there are actually a lot of yeah, display of cars. Yeah, that's the event area. And if you look on the other side, that's the beach. And you notice that there are so many umbrellas, tent. Basically people beach staying, swimming. And there's also this weekend market. I mean, like a holiday market. That much of people there.
A group photo to the men holding the flags up, please. Trophies up for the show and shine.
And that's it. It's actually hot. And I'm going now. I'm going home. Yeah, I think Inigo left already. You need to go to work. And yeah, this is the paper, a certificate of me being an Australian citizen. I'm actually having this jacket, a blazer. Yeah, but I didn't able to use it because it's hot. And another thing is I'm shy to wear it. Yeah, there are many people there. Most of them have their family with them watching. And so when they call their name of the people, they are cheering up. They are shouting, clapping. Really nice. And because I am alone, yeah, no one was clapping. Nobody is cheering. But it's all good. I was expecting that. Yeah, and you know, one thing I noticed that in the citizenship, yeah, it's different people. It's not and different age. There are older people, maybe 70 years old, I'm not sure, and they are doing the same, pledging for Australian citizenship. It's different people from Asia, from Europe, a lot mostly from Europe. and Western people, I may say. Yeah, very nice. Feels good, but it feels sad also. Yeah, because it's like giving up the other nationalities. In my case, sometimes I didn't share it that time because I was planning to make a good story about my citizenship. But yeah, I didn't really have a time because I am busy with my roof ventilation, with my camper van. And that's the reason why just now I am sharing it to you. Yeah, this van conversion really takes a lot of my time. So it is almost 3 months already that I am an Australian citizen. But I don't have a passport yet because passport is $400 to apply. $300 something? Yeah, and I don't have enough money to apply for passport.